Hello, I am Mahesh. I welcome you all in today's session of Saral account. Today we are going to see overview of Saral account and its features. So let's start. As you see on the screen, this is the dashboard type of view of Saral account, and you can see all the options are bifurcated by in three rows, that is masters, transactions, reports and views. So masters are the inputs which we use at the time of beginning. It means when I am starting to use software, then I need to give some inputs to software and then I can start my work. So let's begin with the masters and we will go by transaction and then we will see the reports. So let's start. So here we are making a company, that is we need to give all the details of company, that is company name, trading name, country, state, type of business, type of segment, sub segment, type of dealers, returns, status, registration details, that is GSTN number, contact details. After making the company, we need to make customers. So for customers, we can give the name, alternative name, pay name, GSTN number, type of group of name, opening balance, closing balance, tax details, address, contact details, registration, other details, terms and condition, bank details, and so forth. So majorly here, if we see here it is the registration details are there. So in these registration details, if you want to cross verify the GSTN number, so that we can type GSTN number, then we can press on the verify button. It will cross check with the internet connection and it will fetch the data from the department portal and it will show the result that this GSTN number belongs to this customer. So likewise we can cross verify the GSTN number with the respective customers. So after creating a customer, we will create vendor. In the vendor also we need to give a name, alternative name, pay name, GSTN number, group name, opening balance, closing balance, tax details, address, contacts, registrations. Here also we can verify the GSTN number as we have discussed previously. Other details, that is credit period, credit limit, terms and condition, bank details, like this. Here are some items, that is we can make items. Here is a 606 mm TMT bar. If this item belongs to this group, we can make new group also, or we can map it to different groups. Pressing F9 we can make a new group. Also stock type, HSN number, we can also give respective HSN numbers also there. GSTN rate, respective GSTN rate. Here it is some general information about the product, that is the item. Other details, images, we can also give a upload image of that particular product. There are some other features also there. At the end of this video we are going to see what are the extra features are there in the Saral account, and we will be having separate sessions for each feature. So here we are going to see overview, so that we will stick to the item only. So after making the items, here it is, we will also save one service master, that is we will save one service, their head, accounts, taxability, additional description, SSC code, service charges in the percentage, service rate. After filling all these things, we will save. So these are the inputs, that is the master inputs we can give at when we start work on the software. So we have done that. Now we will see how transaction works. So we will go and do first one purchase transaction. So here for this supplier, for this reference number, on this date, or we have purchased this item in a 2 quantity, and the basic rate is 300, gross rate will be the 600, and tax will be the 18%. So accordingly the all final amount is the 708 rupees. So we will save this and we will see the purchase invoice accordingly. See, this is the purchase invoice, you can see. Then we will see the sales invoice. So sales invoice, same, we need to select customer and credit or cash, that is the transaction. Then the salesperson, item which we are going to sell, quantity. It will fetch automatically all the details of the rates and it will show the final amount. So let's see the invoice. So in our software we have 50 inbuilt invoice formats according to industry standards. You can see on the screen, in which we have selected according to industry standard. We have selected one format and we will see how it shows our sales invoice. See, this is the one sample of sales invoice you can see on your screen. All the HSN details, quantity, units, basic rates, gross amount, all these things are available on our invoices. So these are the major transactions we do day by day. And the sales return and purchase return, these are the special conditions where if there is any return from sales, we can do it from this option, and if there is we need to do return from our purchased order, then we will do from the purchase return. Now we will see how service invoicing will do. So we have already generated this service in Service Master previously. So we will see that we are generating service invoice for customer Arham Steel, and the service is a tax return. Unit is 1, rate is 40, and the gross amount is 40. So it will show the service invoice. We can also see the service invoice report also from here. So this is the service invoice report. We can see we can give this invoice as a service invoice to customer also. So these are the transactions basically, and the receipt option is given for the giving the receipt to the respective customers. And these are the payments option where we can do adjust the bulk payments by one party, and TDS payment also. And these are the 4 options, that is debit note, credit note, journal, and the contra. These are the account related options we have given. So accordingly, case by case, we can use it. So these are the transactions we have seen. Let's move on to the reports. Here there are different reports we have given. We will start from outstanding report. Outstanding report, we can select all these type of entities, and while Seeing the report also, we can select different filters, that is group by party, aging by bill wise, aging by party, and ledger list. Payment register, you can also check the payments. These reports are available in the monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. According to our need, we can select that particular capping also. So, likewise, I explained to daily, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So, we are going to see the sales register for yearly. So, here I am seeing this sales register yearly, and these are the filters. I can see sales summary, voucher view, summary view, columnar view, and standard view. And I can also extract it to the quick report and Excel also. I can also send the mail in the HTML format or Excel attached or a PDF also. So these were the reports. Also, one of the main report in the inventory management, that is stock report. We can see the stock report over here. So this is the stock report, and these were the reports, normal reports we use to see in the inventory management. After that, for especially in accounts, here are some main reports you can see, that is profit loss, balance sheet, cash flow, fund flow, ratio analysis. All these account reports you can see here. Also, there are account books also there, that is cash book, bank book, receipt register, payment register, general ledger, journal, credit note, debit note, sales book, purchase day book, group. All these things are there. And also some analytical reports are also there. You can see here an outstanding report. There are different filters we have given. Now these were the reports and the accounting features we have discussed. Now we will discuss about different extra features what we have given into the Saral account. So we'll start with the bill of material. That is, bill of material is mainly used for the small and medium enterprises where some manufacturing process is going on. We can use our Saral account over there also. Then the pricing and schemes, in majorly retail and wholesaler and distributors, they use different schemes and price group. So here we have provided price group and schemes also. Some credit points also for a regular customers, that will improve the loyalty of customers towards our business. So here is the timber inventory is also there. After that, we also have barcode enabled in this software, so that in many verticals you can see that barcode is the must. So that especially in the garment sector, so we have provided the barcode also. We can enable and we can use the barcode also. Similarly, the multi classification we have provided, this will also used in the garment and other retail verticals. Similarly, another feature is there, batch. This feature is also used in the retail sector for making different batches according to their purchase date or purchase value. Okay, these are the main features which we have given into the Saral accounts. Apart from this, there are some notifications we have provided where we can send emails and emails also for different notifications. These are the notifications for which we can send the mails. Similarly, we can send emails also, SMS also. So these are the SMS. We need to compose different SMS over there. Templates, we can make the templates, save the templates accordingly, and then we can send. That's it for today. We are coming with different module wise demos. Till then, do like, do share, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.